Let's learn how to use the library catalog, which looks a little different right now. It's called Destiny Discover, and it's the very first icon in your student Wake ID portal. If you go from your Wake ID portal, you'll notice that it'll say your name up here, but if you don't see your name, you'll just tap that login button and then log in with your Wake ID. Right at the top, you're going to see some learning links, and we'll add to those as we think those are helpful. Next, we have recently added books. You can click on those and learn a little bit more about each book. Collections, these are ones that we specifically put together that we think would be interesting to you or interesting to things that your teachers are studying with you. And then there are topics. So it's easy to browse the library when you're able to be here in person, but when you're not able to be here in person, you can still go to the graphic novels section and see what we have to offer. And last, we have a pretty small collection of ebooks, but we do have some, and you can check those out and get immediate resources. If you're really looking for eContent, though, you want to go to Mac and Via. This is the learning link up here. And if you're not sure how to use Mac and Via, there is a tutorial on the left sidebar that'll show you how to use it. Anytime you need help, you can always contact myself, Mrs. B, or Mrs. K by attending our Google Meet office hours, Ask the Librarian form, or you can email us as well. Now, if you're ready to look for a book, all you need to do is use the search bar at the top or browse collections at the bottom. And when you type in the title, making sure to spell everything correctly, you'll see what we have available. The little green triangle in the corner indicates that these books are both in. We have it in both English and Spanish. If you want to learn a little bit more about the book, pop it open. You can read about it, you can favorite it, and more importantly, you can put a hold on it. When you put a hold on this book, a message will pop up saying that it's available now because this book is actually in, and it's going to ask you to come and pick it up before a certain date. We're going to ask you to wait until we email you as long as we're still doing remote learning. And we'll give you directions for how to pick up the book. If you can't pick up your book, we'll make arrangements for the book to be delivered. Another super helpful feature of Destiny Discover is this "You may also like" on the sidebar. So if, for instance, your book is not in, you can scroll through the other suggestions of books that are really similar and maybe check out one of the books that is currently available. Another cool side note for anyone doing research, you can cite your titles right here in this More Information page. You simply tap Cite and then pick your formatting style. Not only can you search books, but you can also search through the collections that we create for you. The databases, this is where you're going to find your academic research articles, and you can also search through open educational resources, all from one search bar. If you want, you can go up to your profile up in the upper right-hand corner and replace your gray icon with something that's a little more like you. You can do emojis, you can do people, you can do stickers, whatever is your jam. And you can also check out what you currently have checked out. You can check out any holds that you're waiting for, and you can also check to see if you have any fines. Remember that we don't charge any late fines or fees. The only thing that you would possibly be charged for is if something is damaged or missing. Please reach out if you have any questions. Our goal is to put resources in your hands.